Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are turning to rather unique items. One is the base of a terracotta plant holder, just like a tiny little miniature one, and the other is the cutest little like howling wolf pup. It's like that big, it's plastic, kind of adorable, but super multicolored and definitely a little bit cheaper looking. But we are going to take those, some glue and some paint, and transform them into a beautiful, super glamorous ring and jewelry holder. And yeah, I'll link everything you need down below along with my socials. Let's get going. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, obviously, is remove all of the tags and stickers from your items, and then we're gonna paint them white. So I have just basic white acrylic paint and a paintbrush that has definitely seen better days, and we're just gonna paint them white and let them dry. That's step 2. So I'm going to start with my saucer for my terracotta and just open up paint. You can do this however you want, really. There's no correct or incorrect way to do it. I'm just gonna put a bunch in there because it's easier than putting it on a piece of paper or whatever, or like a plate and then doing it. And just work it around in there. If you work it around pretty thick, then you probably won't need a second coat. But we're just gonna do this. Mainly you just want it to be smooth and white. I have a ton left over, so I'm gonna paint down the sides a little bit. I will paint the bottom, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I need to set this down so it'll dry. I do have like a little paper bag set out to protect my furniture when I set this down, but we will go back and paint the bottom later. Right now we're just gonna work on the tops and sides. Might need a second coat. A lot of times terracotta will, because just one coat you've got streaks and it'll just show through. So that's pretty good. Nice and thick, especially across the rim. And gonna set that aside and use the extra paint to paint my wolf pup. So this cute little brown guy is gonna be completely matte acrylic white. That's the goal. So I chose him because he's small, first off. Second off, he has this cute curly tail, which is very important. And then he's got a head that is upright in comparison to the rest of his body. He's not horizontal and flat like this brush right now. He's like that. So you can actually get your rings on him, which is important. And then more so than that, his head is small enough that the rings can fit on them and kind of slide down his neck and body. That's very important. So he's definitely gonna need a couple coats, but mainly just get him as coated up as you can and then brush off the extra so you don't have glops of paint drying on him. Let him dry, and then we will do a second coat, third coat, whatever it takes to make sure that he is well done, completely matte white with none of the little brown original paint showing through. So now that your figurine is dry, it should look a little something like this. 2 coats, completely white, solid. And now that we have taken all of the color away from it, we're gonna add it back in because you know that makes sense. Grab your metallic gold paint and a small paintbrush. I already shook it, but I'm going to open it up and just work from the inside like this just because I think that's easier than trying to squirt it on. Get a good dollop on your brush, and we're just gonna paint kind of key features on this puppy. So I'm gonna paint the ears gold, just the ears for now. Gonna see how that sets it off? So I'm gonna paint the inside and the outside of the ears. That's where the small brush helps. You might need a second coat with this too, depending on which paint you use, but the goal is to get solid gold ears. Go back in for the other side. Take your time with this. Go ahead and make sure that you get precision, good lines. You don't really want a whole lot of wobbling going on. You want to look like you made confident lines. I think the little nose should be gold, so we're just gonna tap that. Super cute. That was definitely a good call. So far, that's what we're looking like. The ring light is kind of washing it out a bit, but I'll fix that at the end. I think he deserves a gold tail too. He's a golden puppy, he gets a golden tail. So we're just going to fill that in. This is where the lines really matter because where the tail ends against the body, super noticeable. And we'll get on the inside here. Here we go, super cute. Our little white and gold puppy. Let's see if we can get that focused on. There we go. Super cute, super, super cute. So now I need to let this dry and then we will move on to step number 3. Okay guys, so we are finishing up step 4, did we decide this was? basically you have your super adorable golden white puppy and your white dish, and you can use any glue you want. I'm gonna use hot glue just because I have it handy and it's ready to go. You could use E6000 if you want. Basically put it everywhere the dog touches the tray, so just on his little paws and a little bit on his behind. Don't overdo it because it'll squeeze out on the tray then and it'll be visible. Go ahead and try to center him as much as possible. Press him down. How cute is that? Perfect little ring holder. Super cute little white and gold puppy ring holder. Little jewelry dish, absolutely adorable. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna do a close-up at the end, but I hope you guys liked the video and the craft. If you did, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Look forward to seeing you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.